So dollar index, okay, so made its monthly bearish move. It is bearish, it's below this moving average, and then it's came up here, hit this 50% level like I thought it would, and now it's selling back off. Today it's a bear candle, but it's rejecting pretty hard, so this candle appears to be like this 4-hour candle. Granted, there's still over 3 hours left for it, but very bullish out of the gate. So the dollar index, kind of interesting. Bearish, obviously, but creating some, it's providing some bullish momentum all of a sudden. So especially coming back off this retracement. As it was retracing, there's some bullish steam, and then it hit its 50% level, so likely to keep heading down now, but it just seems like there's still a lot of bullish momentum in it. So it might have to find, it might come back up to here and retest this level, this 101 level. So I would wait on this. I would just kind of keep watching this dollar index, because depending on the direction this dollar index shifts, starting off the month, next month, August, I mean, that'll dictate a lot of the, well, especially all the US pairs, but that'll dictate a lot of movement in the market depending on the strength of the dollar and which direction it wants to go to. Because right now you don't really know, because it is bearish, but it is providing some bull momentum. So I have to